When you create an invoice for a customer, it means that you're delivering products and services today and sending an invoice to the customer and getting paid at a later time. To create the invoice, click New, and then under Customers, click Invoice. Let's review the 4 key pieces of information we need on this form. First, the customer, or the who of the transaction. Enter the customer name. Next is when. When did this transaction occur? Next is what. What are we selling to the customer? We'll add this information under the product and service category in the body of the invoice. And finally, how much? Is there a quantity, and what is the rate, to provide us with an amount, which will then be taxed. Let's suppose that we're invoicing this customer for 4 months of service. We can tab through the fields, and QuickBooks calculates the quantity times rate to provide us with our amount plus sales tax. And that's all that's required for an invoice. When you click Save and Close on this transaction, QuickBooks records this, and now you're ready to receive payment at a later time from this customer.